Hello. So today's topic is going to be on translations, as you can see on the screen. Here are just some definitions. Transformations is a change that occurs that maps or moves a shape in a specific direction onto an image. These are called translations, rotations, reflections, and dilations. We'll be going through all four of those. Then the pre-image is the position of the shape before the change is made. So pre-image means before you move it, and then image is the position of the shape after the change is made. Then translation is just a transformation that slides a shape to another location. So we're just sliding the shape left, right, up, down. With translations, you slide a shape up, down, right, left, or all of the above. And so the notation that you see is either going to be x plus a number or y plus or minus a number. So x represents how much you move left or right. And the number with y represents how much you move either up or down. W. Yes. So we're going to go through the first transformation. So we have x plus 5 and then y plus 0. So keep in mind the number with x tells you how much to move left or right. So since it is plus 5, that means 5 to the right. So 5 units to the right. So you have to do this for each letter. So let's start with A. So for A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're going to put a point. Then you move on to B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you put a point. Then for C, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you put a point. So then you're going to connect your points. So when it's labeling, since we already have A, this would be A prime. This would be B prime. And this would be C prime. And we only move to the right because up here, this says y plus 0. So we don't move up or down. We're just going to move to the right because we have x plus 5. We're going to do another example. This one says x minus 3 and y plus 0. So since it's minus 3, that means, minus 3 means left 3. Then you have 0, so you don't move at all. So 0 up or down. Don't move at all. So we're starting with A, and we're going to go to the left 3. So 1, 2, 3. Put a point. Then we're going to start with B. 1, 2, 3. Put a point. And then C. 1, 2, 3. Put another point. Then at the end, all you do is connect the dots. Mine looks a little off because it's hard to write on the screen. So when the labeling, A prime, B prime, and then C prime. C prime. And then that is it. Now on this example, we have x plus 0. So 0 units, left or right. Left or right. And then we have y minus 5. So since it's minus 5, that means down 5. So each point we're going to move down 5 units. So I'm going to start with A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to place a point right there. And then B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place a point right there. And then C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once we're done, connect our points and then label them. So this one was B prime, this was A prime, and this was C prime. So for this one, it's the same as the last one. We have 0 for x, so we don't move left or right, but we do have y plus 4. So since that is a plus 4, we are going to go up 4. So each point we're going to move up 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a point. And then C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a point. Then you will connect your points. So this one is C prime, A prime, and then B prime. So now we're going to move on to a problem that involves moving in both directions. So the first one says x plus 3. So this means to the right 3. And then you have y minus 4. So that means down 4. So what this looks like is to the right 3, 1, 2, 3, then down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you put a point. So for B, to the right 3, 1, 2, 3, down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, put a point. Then the last one is C, to the right 3, 1, 2, 3, down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, put a point. Then you want to connect your points. Hopefully you understood that. We'll do a couple of more examples doing it the same way. Here is another example. We're starting with x plus 5. So this means 5 to the right. And then we have y plus 2. So that means 2 up. So we're going to go 5 to the right and then 2 units up. So starting with A, 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gonna stop, move up 2, 1, 2. Place your point. So for B, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop right here. Move up 2, and put a point. And then C, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop, move up. 1, 2, put a point. Then you want to connect your dots. So this is A prime, B prime, and then C prime. So for this one, have x minus 4. So that means left 4. And then you have y minus 5. So that means down 5. So we're going to go to the left 4, stop, and then go down 5. So what this looks like is to the left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop, go down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a point. Then B, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place your point. And finally, we have C to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop, go down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And put your point. Then you always want to connect your points and then label. So C prime, B prime, this one up here is A prime. So this is the last problem. I would like for you to try this on your own and show me where you think your image or your new shape would be.